how's it going? This is Peter.
Oh my gosh.
Could you? I was just hoping that maybe you could call me back sometime. I mean, we already have a few episodes in between us, you know. And I don't want to be separated between you guys. You know, you're a great person. At least you seem to be. Apparently, you're not. But get that camera on my face. Hi, I'm making this journal. This is episode 7 of the shitstorm. I don't know, I just not feeling like making a video today though. I just can't think of any topics, and I just don't feel like I really appreciate life anymore. Because, you know, that girl's kind of a punk, and I always hear like really weird breathing behind me, and what the frick? Oh! Oh! Hello? Hello? Yeah, I think twice is good enough. I mean, if you keep saying... Hello, Peter. Oh, Talking Doll has his own television show? I want to play a game. No! Not Titanic! You mean Battleship? Whatever! Anyway, for years, you saw fit to make annoying videos and incredibly ridiculous stunts just to entertain people who really aren't entertained whatsoever. Oh, come on, it hasn't been that bad, and I doubt it's been for years. To survive, you must listen to this song for 60 seconds. If you don't succeed, the thing above your head will fall and kill you. Can you handle the randomness? Oh, that doesn't sound too bad. Kill me! Kill me! Wait a minute. Hold on a second. If I was hit by a pillow, then how the hell would I get knocked out? Crap. Yeah, sorry I gotta call BS on this one. How do you like it? How do you like it? How do you like it? It doesn't do anything, see? This is how ridiculous you look. Shitstorm. I'm not insane.